couple months ago, I ran into a local subscriber of mine. His name is Kevin, and we got to talking. He collects Hot Wheels, and he was asking me if there's anything that I was looking for. And during this conversation, I found out that he doesn't own a Redline, has never found one. And it just so happens I have 3 of these Beatnik Bandits, and they were all in pretty good shape. Not something I wanted to take apart and do anything with, so I figured, why don't I just put new wheels on it, save the old wheels, clean it up a little bit, and give it to Kevin. This thing is damn near mint, other than one small crack in the glass. You can barely see it, but I think it'll be perfect for his collection. Here you go, buddy, and thanks for being a subscriber. Good luck and happy hunting.
Little